When it comes to choosing an enterprise-level CRM, Salesforce and Zoho CRM are two of the most talked about options. Both platforms offer robust features, but they serve different types of businesses and needs. Let's break down how they compare. Starting with Salesforce, it is widely regarded as the industry standard for enterprise CRM. It offers a massive range of features for sales, marketing, customer service, and analytics. The platform is highly customizable, which means it can be tailored to fit the exact needs of your business, whether you're a large corporation or a rapidly growing company. One of the biggest strengths of Salesforce is its scalability. It can handle complex workflows, large teams, and multi-department operations without slowing down. The platform also offers advanced reporting and analytics, giving you detailed insights into sales performance, customer behavior, and team productivity. Salesforce also integrates with thousands of apps, which makes it easy to connect with other tools your company already uses. However, Salesforce comes with a learning curve. Its extensive features can be overwhelming for new users, and setup often requires dedicated time and resources. Now let's talk about Zoho CRM. Zoho is known for being user-friendly while still offering powerful features. It provides tools for sales automation, marketing, customer support, and analytics, much like Salesforce. The platform is also highly customizable, but it's generally easier to set up and manage, even for smaller teams. One of Zoho's advantages is its pricing. It's more affordable than Salesforce, making it a great choice for businesses that need enterprise-level features without the high cost. Zoho also offers strong automation features, including workflow rules, lead scoring, and email automation. Its analytics are solid, providing useful dashboards and reports that help track performance and make data-driven decisions. Zoho CRM also integrates with a wide range of apps, including its own suite of business tools, which makes it a versatile choice for growing companies. In the end, both platforms are powerful, and the best choice depends on your business size, budget, and how much customization or scalability you need. Salesforce is the powerhouse for large enterprises, while Zoho CRM strikes a balance between functionality and simplicity for companies that want strong performance without overcomplication.